Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine from GNC. Creatine is a popular supplement known for enhancing athletic performance and muscle growth. It helps your body produce more energy during short bursts of activity, which can lead to better workouts. We'll cover the different types available at GNC, how to choose the right one for your goals, and the best ways to incorporate it into your routine for optimal results. Let's get started. When choosing creatine at GNC, you'll primarily encounter creatine monohydrate and creatine HCl. Monohydrate is the gold standard, backed by extensive research for its effectiveness and affordability. Creatine HCl is often marketed for its improved solubility and potentially less gastrointestinal discomfort. Think about your specific needs and any past experiences with supplements. Reading product reviews can also help guide your decision towards the best option for you. Using creatine effectively often starts with a loading phase. This involves taking about 20 grams per day, divided into 4 5-gram servings for 5 to 7 days. This quickly saturates your muscle creatine stores. Following the loading phase, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily is usually recommended. Remember, consistency is vital. Take your creatine every day, even on rest days, to maintain optimal muscle saturation and continue seeing benefits. The timing of your creatine intake isn't as critical as consistency, but many people prefer taking it post-workout. This can be beneficial as your muscles are more receptive to nutrient uptake. Mixing it with a carbohydrate or protein source like a shake can further aid absorption. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day when supplementing with creatine. Also, for those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.